Because remember, say, Warmington come out, come say, I keep off the vampires, them for and journalists, you know.
Yeah.
So, he might show what for Warmington too. So, they will go at him hard. They will go at him hard.
News, I believe yesterday, me da watch the news until them have something for them own government. I call for him apologize to the public.
Yeah, so me know say it's a big thing. Me know say I hold the match over Warmington now go take it light. Warmington go want this him back. Yeah, come and say party split it by two, you know. So at that, I hold the match up. I know. He knows enough to say, but he knows he can't manage Warmington, you know.
All they need to apologize to the public. And because then they have that conversation already that no politician not supposed to play certain music.
If you know it, are we if you say them thing there? As a minister, enough to say it, are we if you say them thing there?
Yes, that they must say.
Yeah, no, yeah, the point for you. I see it, me saying, all we think. You know, internationally, you must be careful.
Yeah, it damage him party, you know. It damage him.
And Jamaica and the world too. Because
I remember saying, most of big boy them about him and them, you know. Most of big boy them will fund them about the boy.
Definitely.
But you know, he must say he not care, because he must say he have fee money and something, you know.
Yeah.
That's why he say he do it, you know. Nobody else can come out and say that.
I am for talk.
And Cliff, you know Cliff Hughes vex. George Davis vex. All of them because I'm a batty man.
No, they're not vex.
Man in
Tono, they're not vex, man. You know, see Cliff Hughes, Cliff Hughes, I run with fake poll to big up them party.
Yeah.
With nobody, not even JLP don't take the poll serious, man. I second poll can't call it.
Nothing will liberate them, not believe in it.
No, it's a poll to make the people them mind sway away.
Them for take a beat and call election.
Everybody
see everything they said the white, they for take the beat and call the election.
No,
everybody make up their
mind. The poll is a campaign, a campaign poll, you know. Is a campaign machine for JLP, you know.
No, them free to when they put out that the poll. When them free to when they put out that the poll, people are gonna jump and say, boy, liberate, I go win already, so I better we just vote for them.
Yes, and but then there's some polls soon come out, you know.
But what I know, the prime minister himself knows I fuck with poll, that's why I'm not calling.
And them just pay if you do it. And them pay if the poll is just like the ribbon cutting.
Can no way a prime minister could not say he want third term and see the poll in favor of him, so I no call the election.
In the poll about 2 months already, I said JLP lead by what, 5% or so, or 14%.
I think you call election.
Remember say,
I can't call election until he see where he can win. Yeah.
So
then you know now.
For sure, so the poll
the man same call the election when him ready to call it. Nobody not tell him when to call it.
But he under pressure to call it now. He under silent pressure to call it now.
Yeah, because him know say no. Alright, look, you know. Him know say no. Alright, it's like a Darren Bars and certain type of man. They no business him want win, you know. Don't want to see them win and see it. Because in the day, they still I just data beat him.
And just take it some telling say in 10 and 15 of June come on start here revving up. Everything start crank up. May I tell you, a July election, this me tell you.
Yeah, but I see him making
Hold on a minute. Mama Sam.
Yeah.
Looking at box and say, oh, you say. No,
I see them keep can't call it, man. And my can't start out him see them.
Yeah.
My biggest problem that you see them.
May I say, all right, if I ravage JLP in front of PNP right now, that means say PNP party wouldn't make sense then go out there. Because look on the JLP party divide up in and be a scandal, be a corruption, be a thief. Go on the leader, be a thief and the people in seat, hungry hardship, everything. You know,
You know, see man that way himself come assembly full.
No, look where Andrew do.
Yeah.
No, just listen this. Input, hey, look at now. Input everybody in a space to come out and say things even the PIOJ man come out and say poverty cut in half. So he had that man there. He had the security, the national, the commissioner of police come say crime gone down. That means to say he had that man there. Now he put Dennis Chung there for making get rid of the charge.
It never work. It never work.
Can't work.
People feel
that's why I put Dennis Chung there now.
That's how to come out with and talk and sure say he must certify the thing for him now, you know. That's why we have to come out and talk and say
no, but what I'm saying.
I only match
what I'm saying. Yeah, but what I'm saying, the big prime minister can release him asset, talk where him nobody no grudge him for money. But just the way it come from I see them do what them have to do. You understand? That is what I'm saying. You can't say a bad mind, but I'm not bad mind.
He politicize the system. He might corrupt and politicize the system. You know, notice where they might put everybody in.
We know say Dennis Chung and friend. Dennis Chung can't run JFF. So where am I do over there? So people can't run JFF.
Dennis Chung in a qualified run. The qualification.
The man where they did put for IC. Them say Imam Dayton was friend. And he can't go in there, and he can't stay in there. Okay, so you know, you don't talk no about this man where for them got put in there. Oh, then see that. You know, you don't talk about that.
And those
are the things that people have to talk about. We are all Jamaican. We are all Jamaican. Everybody love one party and then stick to them party, yes. But them for talk the right thing that me say. When you're wrong, you're wrong.
Yeah. All when
time the man now do good and now do the right thing.
No. Mama son, nothing can go so. Mama son, I which family they run so them find the gun them.
All right. That's the next thing, you know. You don't matter about the gun them.
I'm a Kenzie gun them.
All right,
233. I know they can't run code. They shot them.
They must say PNP now no traction. I'm not sure nothing. When Mark Golding took over this party, you say Mark Golding at 13% and Joel is a 65% positive rating. Mark Golding cut the lead and go ahead. That means to say he erased the 52%. And go in front. And at this man then saying, then I see Mark Golding with up on the ground every single day.
And there's no time and no place for your reason. Such is what your thoughts, they manifest activities of your thinking. I know you're thanking for being a part of my life.
Hold on.
Comrade,
that is what we are talking about.
Look more, comrade.
Yeah, man.
All right, bless up.
We're not going to say whatever, but at the end of the day, man, me not like the bias thing. Me not like people bias. Me not like people ungrateful. Because at the end of the day, everything them I talk about 18 years. If I never PJ, Michael and Portia, them wouldn't have nothing. Their work pan. Them wouldn't have. And if him do 18 years, that means he did that do good. Because he never had the good people that put him with do 18 years.
Miss Tiny, a 6 JLP have 6 government. I know that 6 to make one. 6 and PNP we have 3 prime minister. PNP has a bar and JLP have 6. And where 6 of them do? Nothing.
Corruption, mash up the place, bringing guns.
6 prime minister them have.
18 election that did happen. That's why Pastor me ever said the 80. The history repeat itself and the old playbook.
After them gun, you know, so where gun them come? You gun them come to the mother garrison.
Them a come back with. Why you are waiting all these elections have come up? For doing all these work where you could have done 3 years, 2 years ago. Those are the things I talk about. You do this, you do that. No, why you wait until it come into election season? For fool the people them. People don't fool again. All the money where them are gonna give 5 and 10 and 15 and $20,000. It not going to work. It not gonna work because you only have promised the people them. But when you win, it's a different thing.
Only a madman that take 5,000 off a vote. 5,000 can't do nothing. 5,000 can't even go a corner shop.
You can't
5,000.
No, it's a gonna raise. They're gonna raise it now because everything them until they see them have them money. They look like them are start from 10 up.
Not even 10,000 of money. At 50. At least you're supposed to bribe a man for vote almost $50,000.
Exactly.
That's no money that everybody has spent 5,000 a day in Jamaica just to buy a little food and a little something to eat. So somebody can give you 5,000 euro and go vote, you want a lick.
Exactly. And then some of them will rub up in a hand and drink special and can get that, and that not even a day spend.
Them days they done, man. $5,000. That's why you see them pray for the people in money on their head, you know. Notice, you know, in a heavy JLP crowd, look if you see at least 120 mad people in there. Be a mad people support them, you know. Who not have clothes, who not take off their clothes and do this and that. I be a mad people.
You're a madman.
I be a mad people. Look at them crowd. I be a mad people. Some people on their head. Fool.
No, man, they don't see the truth, man. I know plenty of them see it, but them just
yeah, but if few them must see, but most mad people support them. Me, I tell you that most mad people must support them.
I be a rich people at Jamaica Labour Party, boy.
No, up at the top part. Up at the top part. But the little people, I put them in a power, be a mad people. Rich man, the businessman, them. It's not uptown people now vote. I like to get them downtown all over. Mad people, and they use and pray upon.
Yes, a trick you get. I tell.
Mr. Rich people not voting.
Paka, on the money now go work this time. Believe it or not.
I be a mad
money now
people.
go work this time.
90% of who support them are mad people.
Yeah.
Be a mad people. Look how them behave in that crowd.
And that you say.
I be a mad people.
I be a elegant people. Follow behind labor, right?
You're mad man.
Allah ya te Paka. Get up.
Be a mad people. I will miss every day. I will miss every day.
The radio program. Because the ghetto people them, the people in the ghetto, we put him in front. The people in the ghetto, we put him up. Plenty of them can't afford to buy that.
A PNP make up the minority who have a job in Jamaica right now.
I'm getting how much for pay?
I want to make
$15,000.
up the minority. You go look work, man. I want to make up the minority when I want to work.
Hey,
Yeah, idiots.
You go look work, man.
Paka.
Paka,
in there.
You don't like and too much. You go look work.
Nobody like and don't like JLP. Oi, Paka, I'm telling you this. If JLP man get money, they not vote. If you not get money, they not vote. Me say, I buy every election them when they have to buy that. Every election JLP have to buy that. If Labour don't get money, they not vote. PNP vote for free. And me can't tell you that. Labour get paid.
Collection plate, PNP walk around with.
Yeah, idiots.
I'm mad, you're mad man.
Be a collection plate.
You're not
You're not a sense Paka. Me can't tell you that. What you can do is free collection.
Collection plate.
You have to buy out the people. If you sell bread, the money might give it. All bread, Easterbound, everything you don't want to give it. Easterbound, bread, flitters, bull, everything. Sweet pea, biscuit, everything you want to give it.
What Mama Sunday?
Stop chicken people with collection plate.
Me say, a bread van, me see them park up. Me see them park up, bread van up on the place. Bread van, people get bread and everything.
Chicken people with collection plate, man.
Bread, everything, me see you know give it. A Santa on the town, as a Santa party. Because them know if you want to get money, them not vote. If they not get money, PNP are more loyal supporter than you. Me see man a fight. In a labor bus with $5,000, fight for money. You ever see that yet, Panway? How would me know about Jamaica?
Because we don't want to come here and degrade the program or distract the program.
Make him, you know, say my mad Is a bread shop, Mr. Del Right Chuck park up. One bread for a beer, man, a comfy bread. Call like a Christmas up there.
When come up here now for with him like a puck up there and that sell.
But we know that. We know that. We know say them give them love hands out of them give away. Everything them say, everything. You see them a put them their name pan. Me see them a give a bun what everybody. You see, a green bun. Green bun, green bun, green. All the reason I bun green. So me don't know what I talk about.
Paka, you have problem, Paka.
Me say if they don't get money.
Hold on the liquor. Mama Sam, wanna read God bless. Good child. Go read their message.
Good on my.
Let them analyze our data in a youth and link stage. Shooting. Backside.
Yeah, right, me.
Boy, me I tell you, I don't know what go on in the country. Come like me not even want to come to Jamaica.
I tell you, Auntie Tiny.
What the man said them analyze our data in a youth and link stage. I went that. When that happened, good child. And them say crime a go down. Imagine, them say crime a go down. And every day, people still analyze.
Every day people analyze.
So all crime a go down.
Just a political stunt. Just you see, who in the street know say no crime now go down. Who in the street know that. And some people live some place who not follow news and not on social media.
Exactly.
Jamaica scarier.
Those are the things people are talking about.
Auntie Tiny, caution in the box.
Yeah, man, they kick him out, man. Him get kicked out and go about in business. I black him from over here.
Back on the right, you know.
Like if you not come over here, you not feel good.
In the right,
But
you
you
know.
come over here and then just start talk, and nobody, them just start talk with money, and I pay up the people. I know up the people and put them in a power, put them in a power, I down the people, and look how I'm angry down the people.
Yeah, you see, them know that, you see. All that Chilani, that remember kill two big old cow.
Nobody for vote.
Eh? Two big old cow.
Nobody for vote, you know. I get them bad for vote for them, you know.
For vote, yeah. Me say, I buy them buy. See, that remember kill two big cow, watch I grow on pot more. Big cow, she kill and
Yes.
we know that, me know that. So what they must say nonsense. Two big old cow, that remember kill.
Yeah.
After, I know yesterday we ban. I know yesterday we ban.
The one named James. The one named James who fight against Molan Wilson.
Oh my youth, we know for them lyrics from 1980 coming.
Me say, me know. I buy them off by people for vote for them. I remember say PNP put in Liberate na power and NTS Liberate when a PNP vote for them. You know?
Yes.
So then and I like say they are a crowd for themselves. I buy them off for buy old people. Without money, JLP cannot see power.
All the time I see power went and PNP no vote.
Yes, when PNP no vote, but if when alright, look in a local government election, PNP get more popular vote than them, you know.
PNP come out.
More people vote for the PNP than vote for the JLP.
Of course.
Warmington do it too. Yeah, Warmington buy man too.
Yeah, so we know that.
I want to tell somebody tell me what they attack one time, so one time they cook a pot of food. And I remember when him say people them come around and because man they and then kick over the kick over the
remember say my sissy, remember say my girl, you know.
Tiny, remember in turn of iPad.
All right, Mama son, look, you know, look why it's when JLP coming up power, why in the country be so hard and tough. Cause them a get them a thief back all the money they spend for an election. So then thief back every single thing. They spend billions of dollars to win and take them and yes, everybody over there thief. And I like one name in a corruption, all of them over there in a corruption, cause everybody a thief back them way back in. Enough money them spend, millions of dollars they spend.
You feed the people them. And because I've won something, you're going to kick over pot? What kind of what the style that?
Kick over the pot of soup.
A true man. Remember that time of true man.
Boy, my boy over there give him a run fee money though. He must spend more money this time.
Shut up your mouth and just have a good conversation and just come like a baga.
The doctor give him a run fee money, you know.
Yeah, man, give him a run fee money over there. Yeah, man, I'm afraid over there.
In the labor right part.
Yes.
What time I watch the people them?
Confused over something.
Yeah, cause me never know. Me surprised me too. Me say doctor man I give him a run.
Put them in.
Money.
People put
Yeah,
them
man, give him a run fee money.
A history create one right there. We don't meet kick down there. History.
Me see it.
Life.
Member enough. But member say we win a councillor seat down there already, you know. So that means say him did in a problem, you know. Yeah, man, I give him a run fee money, man. He can't sit down over there again.
Yeah,
what people don't understand, you know. What people don't understand is enough of them you see win seat. Enough of them you see the win seat, you know. And journalists, enough of them win seat. Nobody ever know them, you know. Then they are working, you know.
They could miss you. Miss you. When Papa, when they did up here.
Family. Big up yourself, my sister. Big up yourself. You know, I phone.
Then miss you.
Yeah, man. I just
who spices are where they want to call a person there? We don't need to hear nothing. Peter Phillips. You know, see, they love to send off for them get Peter Phillips.
I look how them treat for them elder.
I look how them treat Mike Henry.
Mister, that's why them can't call election, Mr. Because guess you know, the elder them a turn up in the seat and now come out and put who they want, put the seat across.
You know, see when you know, see call Samuda, they tell the people, them say, oh no, go on on the yard, me know the prime minister come soon.
Look for that. A big old 90-year-old man, little boy, rule him so. Go home, don't let the prime minister come soon up here. You big old held up, you're scared of a little boy.
No, because
and see them, him have to step down. Him have to step down.
I like a one done business, you know. Jam something wants to say something. Yeah, man, I like a one done. You say bro God, the name bro God, you know.
Yeah, true.
It signifies scammer.
Yeah,
so when the scammer pass come, all I follow them in the yard have to move, you know. You have to say exactly to what one man say. And that's the biggest problem because they look up to one man. One man I take all of the work and all of the praises and all of the money, but everybody have a thief and look at it for themselves. Because I take a look on the interview and there's something that the Jill saga. And when you check it on the internet, how much you want a neurosurgeon Jill, you know, pass over 3,000 US in a no.
You know, pass $4 million, like roughly about $4 million for everything.
Yeah. So when you calculate, you know, so when the brethren go in one classroom and put it on the chalkboard and him show you, say what them do first is the fact that somebody put the idea, say, yo, you know, say it go cost 32 million to buy it. So them know who go come to concert then, go sell on one for 31 million. You understand that them are doing it to themselves. So the board not even know what them are buy, you then just approve it, say, yeah, man, 31, a good price. Because if the first man when say go cost 32 and you come and sell it for 31, we'll buy it then. So there's no real investigation to say, right.
Them know them a thief.
And them see one do it, and them see one
know them a thief.
Because 31 million, who wants something value of 4 million. I say country, so them a do it all the time. So
them know them a thief.
All of the things where they do, money involved in it. If every work where them put out, money involved in it. So more money.
A good thing PNP bright. A good thing PNP people have sense. Everything they try, we counteract them. Because them know them a thief.
So they must say, I'm go power live and they must say poverty no real in Jamaica. And I go around and see people suffering. And they say a lie me I tell. Nothing like that.
People have fear about the food price, brother, food price too high. 1 meal a day people have to cook. When they cook 3 meals a day.
If you tell come over here and smack every week or every other week in Jamaica. How the place nice and him go take a drive going to Spanish town and family come from. He must show with the road. And on the road that up here, if the people them drop them cheap up, mash up, them need dig out. And him say when him go to him family and say to them, say the people them eat already. She said, yeah man, them eat the breakfast already. So him say, what happened to lunch? He said, no, we can't cook early.
No, you can't cook lunch for myself.
Them need to come in. All right. Early, you know, say dead younger later. Somebody have
yeah. All right, Mama son, we never say back then things never tough, you know. But Mama son, they say get a money back then. You get a money could have hold you.
I'll fix and buy 3 meal.
Yeah, all right. Remember saying no, it's when you never used to get in the work, Mama son.
The way you come in, I mean, I can't guess every day. No, yeah, boy, every time you come here, fair, you more than 1 or 2 days. Yeah, me stop it. Master.
You see?
Me not have the clothes.
What do you tell them say? Have you job long time, you know. Now Jam come out and ask the same question everybody asks. Who is the list of shortlisted candidate? And why you select Dennis Strong with so much question mark beside the name? Dennis Strong will tick 1 eye box, a master's degree. Dennis Strong now have no security training. He have nothing. I not serving at them field. Then how is it that now you say the necessary process is being followed? And you provide a job description, but you still a job description you provide the man no meeting time. How that makes sense? Let's say you're appointing. Interview with Dennis Strong over nationwide, I go tell the people about the Prime Minister bank account and he don't see nothing wrong with it. And him see people in a private sector with that. Who come out and back a government speech? No PSOJ come out yesterday and back is nothing wrong with it. The same the people when he matter about a back situation now, you know.
Yeah, so then we can't allow Dennis Strong to go in at that post there. Can't allow Dennis Strong.
I know we. We can't tell
no, the people can demonstrate. The people can demonstrate about it. We can't allow him.
That's the only way to go happen.
Yeah, he love come out and
come out and say same thing.
Me follow football, you know. I mean, no Dennis Strong. Me follow football. Reggae boys and football. Dennis Strong not credible. No. Dennis Strong and Ricketts. Dennis Strong and Ricketts are lions them. I want this one Cavalier club. I cheer them. You can't get them out of the JFF office. Dennis Strong. Yeah, you can't. Them man, you know, see, you can't get the Ricketts out of Dennis Strong and the one Cavaliers. I cheer them set up in football.
Let me assist you. Them this thing I need wide looking at. That's something we have available. This don't make no sense. They know say man apply for job long time. Who invite me to apply for it? Can at that time, January, February, man, in a good job. Then why leave that job now? Apply for your job. When was the shortlisting take place? But 1 week before this announced, then it's Strong did the interview. That's why I know say no. A long time to come from. Then it's Strong did the interview at Sportmax, and when they asked him, said then yes, I'm gonna leave in post. Yeah, government position. He said he can't talk about that now. He can't mention much about it. Then if you not get a job, when they inform you about the job, and when you resign, then Strong resign from JFF today. The 31st. That means JFF that must have adequate notice or should have adequate notice.
Yeah, if you put somebody else in a post.
Exactly. So that means I don't know, over by night things happen. They know say that happen already.
Yeah, brother, I saw the man friend, I see one picture with Andrew and the man long, it's a long time picture.
I don't like them cycle together, man.
Yeah, they're my friend. They're my friend.
But here funny it is. When Andrew take power, late 2016 February.
Yeah.
Then it's Strong on the National Solid Board as a chairman from that time till now.
I tell you, brother, when in Jamaica, police are come to your yard, brother. Police are calling you, tell us them come to your yard.
I see a man, so those two people, wholly more will honorable.
Brother, with all we need to do, get all Jamaicans get vote them out. And the only way we can stop them, you know, vote them out.
Only way.
Only out. Vote them out. We not have to argue about the people that come see. Say, I'll be a scam in a go on. So when
I want to name, I don't cut it. I want to name, when name from the PO, when name Metro Siago.
Yeah.
I want corruption man that, you know. enough of the private sector, them I wanna mash down the country too, you know.
Yeah. If the governor general depend him side, the governor general depend him side. So you can see say it's a gang. Him is a gang. Him come like a rap bat gang in a parliament. It's a gang. Him and them a farm.
Yeah.
It's a gang.
That's why nobody can tell me nothing about 7-day church, because the governor general is a 7-day Adventist and a be a criminal organization in back. Be a criminal corruption.
Be a criminal.
The man back be a corruption.
So when Dennis Strong go this, every time Andrew paper going to certify. That means
Dennis Strong can't get it. Him can't get it. Time they not the field with no. Him never in the field with no liar.
Want to the old judge them. Want to the old judge them. The old security people who know about that, who know about investigation. Want to them.
That's one them.
So Jamaica say, because Andrew go buy doctorate what they say my doctor. So anything you want you can go buy. So Chunk can go buy same as a security officer then.
Him can't buy nothing the whole world know who he was. Say him usually work at Grace. I believe him was a manager at Grace or a supervisor at Grace. Then him left and come in a politics in the Jamaica Labour Party. So we know him feel, we know where I come from. He never in no security ministry or nothing.
Nothing. So you forget the big old top job.
But
I top job there.
It's true majority of the Jamaican I say Andrew name should have depend on a ballot because I'm not certified yet. He can bring him here now to come cover up corruption and say yes, him clean. Him can run as a prime minister.
The whole country should have a speaker box to play with that and journalists. Do not should have depend on a ballot. Him should step down, resign. Him should never go back again.
And they said the whole at the party, every Jamaican should have come out and take the role and say resign, Andrew, resign.
Resign.
Resign, Andrew, resign. Till you certify where you for certify. Resign, Andrew.
Me say who want get him out, you know, hey, me tell you say, it's when you get him out, he must have come out of the country, you know, because in party you get rid of him, you know. So you
not come out of the country, come out of which country? I'm going to the prison in the country.
Yeah, because he won a party want to get rid of him, you know, but only way he can save himself by winning the election. And we don't want him win, we have to get rid of him. Because them no sign mash up the party. He mash up over the
I'm busy about them party with them.
Say me no, say I go hard to try to redeem back himself. But we need to go upon him, don't make him slide. Him a thief, you know, they get ignorant when you call him thief. When you call him thief, labor them vex, you know. They don't like you when you call him thief.
Of course him a thief.
They not, that's why me not call him thief.
The man a thief, I was to say a thief.
Every live me go on, every JLP live me pass, so I first thing me comment, Andrew a thief. And then black instant, they don't like hear it. They don't like it, them a thief.
They know, let me tell you one thing. They know, you know.
Them a thief and scammer. Them go want hear you call them bad scammer.
They're not busy about that. Really and truly, all PNP have to do is vote out. They're right. You know,
yeah, but
anybody who thief to anybody with thief like I am, you give them reward. Because when the man thief education money, did they take back the money from the man? No, they do not take back the money from him. They say they're in a court.
The man said never gone away. Which part him did they? Him said
a rural reading and rural read.
Yeah, him said never gone away.
Rural, but remember saying Andrew can't tell nobody from thief, because I'm a thief. So when them thief, him can't say nothing. Him can't say, notice you know, when nobody over there thief, him can't say nothing about it, because they must say you're a thief too.
Look here. Look here. Oral Read and Andrew, a friend from Education. And two of them are thief from this.
They want to buy the drill.
The two of them are thief from this.
No,
you
but
understand me?
It's World Read not understand the art of thieving.
Look here. Hear what I'm saying?
Bro God, in charge 20 account like bro God.
You what me I say no? Big man. You what me I say? And take it as me tell you.
We have no proof about our party a thief.
Let me tell you something. Oral Read Andrew, a friend from him a minister of education from this. Them a thief.
Yes.
From this so him and Andrew I do the thieving.
What if money thief on them?
Remember Andrew have him own gang,
money thief from them time there.
Andrew have him own gang in the parliament. He have him own gang, them and them a thief together.
But him and Snares to split the money. Him and World to split the money. But this time he never planned to split it. So he give the helper. And the helper, I say helper make a case boss, you know. He take a helper card, bank card, and put 15 million in her account. So she go down at the bank to go jar the 15 million for and a half. And so come the case when blow up, you know. Because them start say, yo, oh, you come for jar money and you help, oh, you 15 million. And he say, my world leader work. And then the whole thing come out and the bus out same time. So if I never for the helper, who won't hear about y'all now. I just the helper will go for collect the money. But you see, if him and Andrew they share the money, Andrew put in a 28 account them. You don't never hear about it.
No, them time the Andrew not open our 20. That's what me. So true, him and Andrew a thief for a long time. I got through and nothing now boss or nothing. That's why I read continue. No sharing never that for one. No sharing never that for one. Me and you are partner. Look here now. Me and you are partner together. The two we are two con artists. You understand me? You are do your thing, me I do my thing. When me thief, me now for make you open an account for put my money in her. Because the two are up on the same road, I will know the routine and everything. You understand me? But what? Time catch up on me. This time now. You understand me? Because I bring in a helper in a it. Where them know say, the helper there, where she get so much money, fear for can't come draw. And she say she deposit. You understand me? So I saw him get checked. But the two of them are crony from long time. You know, the man take him and put him back in our ministry.
Remember, him and a thief. Remember, him have him own gang, you know. Remember, Andrew have him own team, you know. Remember, when he run against Hardly Shaw, you know, him have film supporter them, you know. Him have film supporter, Hardly Shaw film supporter. So when he go in a power, him look out for film supporter, him and he support them Farmer Alliance and start thief.
Yes.
I'm having support them. So that's what I'm telling you, say, they want to get rid of him over there, you know. That's why you see, everywhere I try to put film support in a strong seat.
Yes.
That's why you see, can't call election, I'm a film support them yet. And the party a grumble, because every strong seat, film people have to get it.
Yeah.
So that.
Come off for you, big pussy Betty.
Yes, that I beat him now. That's why them can't organize, because he might try to change the party and put it in a theme. So I try to push out the whole, that's why I push out the whole of them, you know. I try to push them out and take them slave and give theme for them.
Yes.
So that's why the party are lit back on him. That's why the election we have to get rid of them. Because if you get rid of them, the JLP will be no more.
Yes. No
it
more.
It mash completely up.
It's manker.
Yes, that's how we have to get rid of him. You see, anyone to get rid of him, he will rebuild it in a theme way. So we have to get rid of him. So we get rid of him, the party going to mash. It's going to roll over there.
There's $1 billion where they put one side to creative people in a labor right. You know what they do with it? 800 million put on one side. That's around election.
And the Batman money when you get me, man get the Batman money too, you know.
Help run election. That's the money they take. Any grant where they see them say them will give out, and the money that they use.
I hear what them do. Them a treat the little young people about farm work. When a minister get farm work ticket, you get about all at 20.
A 40 them say.
Yeah, you get all at 40. And they make all 100 young youth already start to put on them name and I trick them. Young people. Young people.
Watch TV, you know, because you know what I'm going to know? Canada said they not no more farmers program because it affect them people. One minister said when he go in a power, that if him get to go in, he might cut the farmer program. So Jamaica can't think about two different things. You have to think about build the country.
Yeah, but we have to spread the message because nobody them in a country, they're not smart, so they're not listen.
Hey, let me tell you something, young people. 107 Jamaican get deported yesterday. 107 Jamaican people get deported. Cause Andrew come America, come tell Donald Trump say Jamaica booming with a lot of work. You understand me? So you can send them home. So young people, this administration, Andrew administration, I trick them a chicken. Because there is no work here. The only work Andrew Afuno is sending to Jamaica. That is the only work him Afuno. You understand me? You see, if you don't want work and want upliftment, vote for the People's National Party.
Party have a better PNP party have a better team.
You understand me? Because you want more. When them a take down all 100 names for farm work, them don't pick out who them have already. Them don't have them favorite already. Them have them family member and them cousin.
Yeah. You have to be
them niece and them nephew. Them all go trick Uno. Make Uno believe say them are do something for Uno. And guess what? Donald Trump don't want a farm worker in America.
Yeah.
If America must build America, and we stay in our country and build it. So don't make them come trick Uno.
Yeah, man, it go tighter. So
no farmer now one. We
no
no farmer
now
now
one.
So now
Canada worse. Canada not take no more farm work. Them people, them a give to them people.
Make them go no card first. Tell them to go no card now no one first. No take no name.
The
Give
card
the
now put us
card now
up
yan.
card them a give them.
All when them give them the card.
A 40 card they get so much when 200 people come out, what you gonna do? Them not give you, them all give them friend, but if them come to you, tell them say give we card first, give we card, give we. Because them not must know your vote, but tell them give we the card. Give
No.
one the card.
Look here.
Not take them no name.
Let me tell you something. You see the year them like be the farmer, them have to do what my vote. Remember me tell you that.
Yeah,
And
but
look
a
here.
strong will get the card. A
And
strong
look
will get
here.
the card.
Look
When
here.
your family-
Look here, no brethren. All when you get the card, that not say you come America or you go Canada because guess what, more?
Still have to do medical.
You what me I say now? The young youth them smoke a lot of ganja. And them not tell the young youth themselves, them have to purge themselves. And you have to do that. You have to do drug test.
Yeah.
You have to do drug test. Some of them cannot read and write, and you have to can't read and write. You understand me? So I trick them. Last night, I did on one program, and one girl say, in a 2020, them trick to our nephew them. Say, them write down them name, for them go up on farm work. Some of the youth them not even have bus here for go, which part them for go. Some of them are a little hungry. And when you take a stock, them take down them name and make them vote in a 2020, and not one of them gone on a farm work program. Not one of them. So the youth them say this time, say, them not trick way. A orange we say.
Yeah, man. Mr. One night observe a ball. Much thing in go through and I'm promising farmer card, much thing is money in spend up and know you not get it. Idea when him fi go away. Idea when him fi go away. Him realize say I scam them, scam him.
The practice girl, go about your business. About third term loaded.
In our role. In our role.
Third term loaded for the prime minister and the prisoner.
Look at miss, you lie. I call it come sing. I stop
Chrissy Mago.
Drunko. Come off.
I'm going to use my talent to no use her. I'm going to use my talent to buy you the near me. Let me poo in your mouth. You poo the buy you near me. I'm poo in your mouth. I'm going to use my talent right now.
Everybody alive. So we are blind. We not swear. Andrew all said
Jamaica, look at this. Don't come out with those nice stuff. That's American style about poo. Telling you that spit in my mouth.
No, but we have some people, some decent people that on the program still, you know.
No, everybody know about shit and everybody know poo, what poo mean. So talk it broad.
I want shoot me.
In my mouth.
I want shoot me and Jonas tell the people when I want his belly full.
Morning,
Good morning, my family. Hey, let me tell you something.
King.
I saw me eat like ear out on a dissect it, you know. But are you mature, you know? I want to know. You have any children at Jamaica?
Yeah.
I wonder if you have any grandchildren at Jamaica here. Going to school at this moment. Or you live in Jamaica here? Because I want to know. A few of you know, say 30%, why you don't want to change the narrative of the 70% who is seeing it? living it in a the pig pen here. And here where you come up now. Third, look on the man now. The man will get up and say him fi have 100 bank account. Him I go choose to put on the IC commission. Then I must want him flag man that.
Yeah.
Now the corruption I got turn up more now upon way.
Yes,
see them something. They need to see that a red flag that
and you can't see that.
And you can't Jamaica, you can't see that. Who Dennis Chung go? Nobody Dennis Chung need to
call me now.
Like why go pool where Dennis Chung go? Dennis Chung go, Dennis Chung go sit down. You can Dennis Chung go sit down, man. They must can't find somebody credible to put this up. Dennis Chung no go sit down. Jamaica people need to wake up and have sense, man.
You say if Dennis Chung still want to sit down on the seat, we are going to take the road.
You mean Dennis Chung
take the road.
White up and stand up.
Our grace running out. You know, they are grace
punch them and campaign, make you them understand. Then Jamaica know Dennis Chung. People know Dennis Chung. Every youth that follow football know who is Dennis Chung.
In sabotage the footballer them.
Yeah, actually no people don't.
Sabotage everybody in a sport.
Yeah. Mama say no, yeah, some people don't understand politics, you know. Them young and them be far away from it. So they need to understand them people here who is Dennis Chung and them people. Dennis Chung, what Dennis Chung do already.
Yeah.
Yeah, at the ice thing that you know, integrity commission, what Dennis Chung not qualify for up there, so Dennis Chung not ready for this yet. Dennis Chung ready JFF.
But what I know then today Alvira show we said Dennis Chung not pass it in the military. Going to police force. Remember you have to be police, you know.
Yeah, but that's something.
And you know there's no way in this, you know. So him get qualified for it.
That me I say, I don't know who film name to mention this, or who film name. But then they go for Adams or somebody where they been there and done that. Or ask Steve McGregor to do it.
Metro Siago, where one name the little white batty boy there, one little corruption, I want to help mash down Jamaica. The batty boy there, Metro Siago. Him I want to them carry the whole heap of gun. And them carry the whole heap of gun and walk Metro Siago.
Them gun the liquor Mr. Straight now street them gun there come in them shit down them gun there.
Yeah, them ship it.
Them want it.
Him I want to mash up the private
look on that's why the batty boy. Now that's why the batty boy I say yo him come down come bust shot from PNP because
him know him know about them gun there where I come to.
Metro Siago, you for go and come out of the country because you know Jamaican, when nobody don't know you, we don't know where you come from. And you just come in our country and mash it up, so left from the country and come and mash up Jamaica. Metro Siago, where you want name. No, Matty boy. If you go now, you see all you Cliff Hughes, you see you Cliff Hughes.
Yeah man, I see the problem.
Cliff Hughes, you see you, your days are come.
Yeah.
You see the Jamaica Labour Party supporters, them coming like a lot of parents when know say them pitney I go out, go do crime, I kill off innocent people, and when the police come for them I back them.
Yeah, my boy innocent, my boy innocent, my boy do nothing yet.
My boy innocent, him not do nothing no. Alright, just like before Adam resigned, me I listen to Adam one Saturday morning say, you have a woman living in a Spanish town. Every Saturday morning, our son go up on Market Street, go grab people bag. And him say, make sure one, before him send them home. And him say, go to the mother and say to the mother, say, talk to your son.
Yeah.
Tell your son, say, if you stop, go up on Market Street at Saturday morning time, go grab the people, them bag, who coming to the market to buy food for them children and them family. My son now, they don't know. My son now this. My son now that. Love my son and Ray. And Adam what? Go up there one Saturday morning and lay with him. And as him grab a bag, so him grab a shot right in him head back. And Adam put him in the Jeep back and drive, go down at the yard and call out the mother and say, look into the Jeep and look in that man and tell me what you see.
Yeah, I know for your son.
Yeah, Adam asks her. Says, this.
Yeah, man.
Go and check if your son. Adam said, go and check if your son in the yard first before you come out.
Yeah.
So you see them supporters here, as them is like some parents will have them gunman picnic, them criminal picnic. How can I analyze people at night time?
Andrew Muma that man. Andrew Muma that you know say she's Christian, you know.
You understand me?
A parasite like him from the country.
Una baka prime minister what is a criminal. A notorious criminal.
Yeah. Look on him gun the little. Look on him gun there. See for the jungle and gun the fine. You da hear Cliff use that in the start of the show little earlier this morning.
What?
And I ring it up and I ring it up and I ring it up. Gun fine in Mark Golden yard, in Mark Golden consequence, in Mark Golden this. In that ring it for a week in the panic. And you see? Alright, this man will have to gun them fine. 200 hard. And you hear them around about PNP.
Because them find 220 and them they find 16 more, same place, you know. So
yeah.
36 gun that fine, you know. And nobody here who own it.
Is an ex-politician who have, you know. When politician boy when you own it waf, we own it. A theme storehouse. I feed them gun. All them gun in the company street. From each of the election.
Of the BOJ and the policymakers.
Yeah, Paka know all of them know about the gun. I know you come from.
Can you hear them say it?
Yeah, you want to say it. After them a plan to come down for come war.
Come down to come war. You them say come down to come war.
That's why I tell you, say, don't entertain the boy they pack up on the live. I'm a corruption too. Pack a batty boy we live in a basement.
I see him come up. And attack, I pay dignitary in a JLP, I pay money people.
Me say,
have money.
Tiny, what I'm saying now, you see, in the top people them, a JLP them, but you see little dog shit them up and down, and little common one them, and them use them.
Yeah, but that's why I say, I know the top analysts them put him in a power and they get up people them.
You
and they get up people them not have nothing.
You want them on no head. You want them on no head.
Yeah, Gallimore the man name.
Yes, Gallimore, yes. Yeah, Gallimore, Pim, I him own the place. So all PNP ship gun there so, and I him own it.
Any gun will come through the wharf there. Any gun will come there so, through the wharf. And the Jamaica Labour Party carry them.
Yeah, them set it down, yeah.
See them wharf.
It's a Labour and warehouse.
Yeah, it's a Labour and warehouse.
Put gun in the warehouse problem.
Yes.
Nobody. They ain't lock up nobody.
No?
They don't lock up nobody. I didn't free gun them.
Alright.
No, them did a claim say them would have found two people. Don't know how to do it.
I said them I get the gun. I see them gun.
I see them gun.
I just make story.
Yeah, but everything Kerry say, everything Kerry say at the PNP. Then why she won't come up at PNP?
No, because she don't know Tom. She don't know Kingston.
You can't be a wrong turn, man.
Wrong turn.
Every time you look for a wrong turn.
No, because she don't know.
Wrong turn, man.
When she said that she did in a show, cause a Gallimore place and a Desmond consequence you holding that there.
Yeah.
So she don't know Kingston.
I wish PNP can go down there, so go collect nothing.
Go collect gun.
All PNP, that wharf is a Labour wharf.
That
wharf belongs to the Labour Party.
I see them when the people them, they go out, chat about a Mark Golden, send them out to go protest. The way they get them come up and Mark Golden back, when they fair.
That has fun.
You know,
Kerry don't know Jamaica. Kerry can't even talk like we. She can't even talk like we. She don't find from she a penny. Here she talk.
You know,
she don't know nothing about Jamaica.
I believe. Yes,
I know she know.
I know she know. Handicap shall get government a minor.
Yeah, she don't know about Jamaica. Tell her to come to Jamaica, I can't do minor and see she not suffer out there. Maybe scare herself back.
Yes, she got Jamaica.
I be a Batman fuck Terry, I believe, you know. Terry pussy sit up till she turn wrong turn.
Yeah.
You remember when they were time goodie and Munchie them on her?
Yeah. Hey, as you talk, me not cut the tiny. Me say, me a look for Munchie on YouTube. Hey, Munchie, ugly enough, blood, please, you know. Come like when God prepare. She said to her mother, said, no, sir,
You're a double
back of the line, me chew Munchie in a year home.
You know, see, she come down.
Back of the line, me know, Hey, Munchi, ugly no blood.
You know, see, she have come over. Yes, she come down over TikTok. She come down.
Me say her face tough like Spanish town handcuff.
Look how she used to hype. Look how she used to hype and one. And when you see her in her person, you say, "Bomba at Munchi."
Hey, me say me I look on her last night and I said, Jesus Christ.
Munchi and Goody. Munchi and Goody ugly. Ugly. Munchi and Goody.
You know the show when you're ugly too. The show when you're Beakers, Lord of the Ring. You know the show when you're Lord of the Ring with the thing like when you Munchi favor.
It shredding a makeover,
yes. Them need a makeover.
Jesus Christ, me know. I want them do for their mother. I want for their mother do God make God put them at the bottom of the blood cleat line.
It shred them ugly for two, man. Shred them to make one.
Jesus Christ. You see all the one when name Goody?
Goody worse.
Perfect makeover.
Goody come like Robins.
Goody come like sour fish.
Goody come like sour fish.
Jesus Christ.
More with America Goody they can. For America should they see them do implant with teeth. Them do implant teeth. She needs to fix the front of her teeth them. She favor Chucky the bride. She no favor the bride, you know. She favor Chucky, cause Chucky bride pretty. But she favor Chucky. She favor Chucky itself.
What she get her name there for? More Goody. Jesus Christ.
Me said the girl wants some bleaching, not even bleaching cream no. I can't find bleaching cream. See her bleaching cream. I go run left for her and say, me can't work for you.
Me tell Paka and
say,
you have to go put little plastic soda and I eat.
Say, I put everything on me nose with a slipper like a dog, like a
I'm not your favorite frog.
Me tell them say, have you mad people support the local chopper? Big and look like one big old sitting. Look at big old Rasta one.
Yeah, man.
All of them. Where name? Rusty.
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 You see, I want to
Rusty and Cranny.
You see, I want to
just be a drunk or support them. Me telling you, be a drunk or support them. Cranny.
You see, I want to name Chopper me. I'm one more.
Cranny.
Rusty sour. Rusty stink.
You see the one named Rusty?
Yeah, one called.
You see the one named Rusty?
Yeah, man. For you see Rusty, it's the Rusty sour. Big
ass. VG too. I'll VG one, the white beard one and then VG.
Tap up the live, please. Give us some likes.
Mr. For you see Rusty,
I get something from my live goal.
For you see Rusty. Hey, let me tell you something. You have one big hog down a slaughterhouse. You know the people love pork.
Yeah.
And one heap of hog down there. And them thief off all of the hog left the hog there alone. One big blood cleat dirty hog. I roasted that. When not thief want.
Big as so.
Big as so, I tell you.
It's in the yellow like a dog.
Me say yo, me
tell you like a dog.
Me tell him say be a mad people support him. I think I joke me and look at him say be a half mad people.
Listen, no, the sensible labor right them now look upon them.
You notice nobody go upon their life, no big companies no go upon their life.
MMT money, where you going with me, brother?
I be a quab.
I be a quab go upon them life. Them can't, not them candidate rub shoulder with them.
Then I hear info me that say all of the labor right blogger them will come pan TikTok and run off them mouth. Nobody don't know them at the party.
Nobody don't know them. That's it. See, 70% of them are foreign them there, you know. Enough.
Nobody don't know them at the party.
And nobody don't know them.
Well, I know them, they are foreign obvious and them now come down for vote.
Them now come down. Some of them can't come down neither.
Yeah, one name Angel. The girl with name Angel. When she just come a cartel, she not come out. Till she start, then she neutral.
Me I want to board.
And then she start to teach people about sex ties. I want blood cleat, sodomite that, you know. Bisexual, you know.
You know, not only for that. If you will not,
yeah, handicap.
Can't work at one hospital and them can't have a chip. Them can't stitch up her downstairs to blood cleat. And them now, no man. I say Jamaica blooming and everything. Then come back home now. Come back
them
home.
Them now come back home. For them black they are foreign and looking at them pretty. And them now come back home. Why not come back home? Come back home. Come up paradise.
You can't pay them for come back home.
And yes, still, wait now. Yes, still shut about Mark Wall in a white man. And I be a white people body share clean at the hospital. I be a white people shit share clean. You know, see them now no sense.
Them not no sense, man.
Man don't want your girl done pan you know. Cause your tongue tall now till it a drop and blood till it the ground. In America, don't believe now for expose now. In a Jamaica for sun blood clot melt it like crazy glue.
They false it now. No, man, no used to them. No use to them. The drunk they right about 6 times.
Man, no use. Angel hold done. Tulshafia use dildo on herself.
Yeah.
And a man no want her. No, she not no bottom. She bottomless. Now no bottom. She bottomless.
Over one live yesterday, I see one the panel near Rosemary. So she come from St. Mary's. And she got talk, so she got to do one PNP woman and pick her one voucher. The girl nails, the girl doing and the girl bad for the nails, you know. And me I say, she not vote. She vote for the woman and then when she pick her the voucher. So me I say, the girl and ambition, you want to see in her house. So me I say, one vote, you go come on platform, come bring up people. Drunk, bro.
Everybody cannot get. Everybody can't get.
Well, yeah, the woman said to her, say, make if somebody one need it more than you because the girl nail tals and she do nails and she live good, I look house nice. So if a woman do somebody less fortunate, you go come on social media, come talk about, oh, so here one boy, now give me a number. You have to vote for that person that you know. Oh, PNP broke. PNP not have money. Yes, we broke and we not have money.
Me not tell us if they not get money, them not vote.
We not sell one vote.
They not vote, they not get no money, them not vote. Me tell you now, most of ways is switching them ball, but me not get the money,
Get a 5 to get a belly full. And after the belly roll, you go in at the toilet, go shit it out. Because me buy something from you, you know. When me win, you know, you can't come back to me, you know, because me done already pay you already now.
I them always tell them.
That Juliet Cutler tell them up so listen, I pay for my way too.
Yeah.
For me, honestly. So I'm not supposed to fix no road now, I'm not supposed to do nothing. That you tell them. Right.
Yeah, that them do for sure. Buy them.
Yeah, that you tell them, and if them really have vote back for that Bigfoot girl there, where PNP put her which part today. And
Juliet Cockburn, she was on it, the mattress. Who no grind she? I who never want a grind from she.
She get pitney?
Omar Davis sorry fear.
No, to fuck out this she not a pitney.
Omar Davis sorry fear and say, Lord God, let me tell you something. Father God gave you bottom part for your cherish. You're rabbit out too much. I'm gonna put you upon something, yeah. And I saw
ungrateful bitch.
And I saw Omar Davis Garrett, because Omar Davis say our bottom part is a rebel coming like rubber. Where you carry the pencil, where you can't go to school every day, you have to use a rubber, it rub go right down. So Omar Davis said, leave little grit in it, man. That's if you find a husband, little bottom dead there. And I saw, but no grit. Yeah.
You see her the man? You see her the husband?
No man no want it. They don't hear me tell you, but it don't like you me I tell you say. Omar Davis said, our bottom part reboot, it coming like chicken jump, where you jerk chicken. Where you can't have it clean, the way the grease and everything just dip on the grill. So Omar said, if any space there, me go sorry for you. That's you can't leave a little space if you find a man and get a boss. But Omar never knows no space no there. If Omar don't know no space there, but I lower and no get no boss. No space no there, no man no want her. They say what the woman have on a Ganzi and turn back where me I watch when I picture me space says a man.
Yeah, man, that's I know say. Me feel like she a lesbian, because them the body there. Them the body there, a man body.
They should not lesbian, a man. Now you deny you what me I say.
Yeah, if I see, if I see.
Bottom part done. No grip, no there. No there, no suction, no there, no there. Everything done out.
So she have to use strap on now.
And the football youth them, granny toe 20 and them start all use them foot. When some of them use them foot and she say, no life girl, no they for save them, never go join them, use them foot.
I see her regular because she come and move enough time with her because police lady me that she can run him. I see her regular.
All one name bully. Our think they grind them, Infometer them want grind them, but Infometer no want them. Bad to bad, Infometer have tears. Infometer have tears. Infometer no look on them.
Look how them used to on the app and the pan everybody like go like them a team and a bully down everybody. And look how them just bring on them wine and stuff.
Yeah, man, God,
not sleep, man. They used to them everywhere go like them as somebody.
Go like them as somebody.
They used to go like them as somebody.
Them is nobody.
Infometer come make no say man nobody.
Good favor when time newborn baby shit. Good if you have a newborn baby shit.
And when she go post herself, me say me no know how tell her go post herself, so she come down.
Jesus Christ, me not lie. The girl ugly no blood, the girl ugly from Saturday to Sunday to Monday. Good no look good underneath her black. Me say, hey, me say, all a man a grind goody to blood treat and him in the bed and him lock off the light. Him can't find her. Him can't find her.
Look at them up talk about culture and no culture now walk with all them. They nobody walk with all them there. Who walk with them there? Nobody now walk with them there, man.
I don't know, so when current leader going to one place, how much people flocking down to the baby.
Yeah, me, man. Hey.
What's that? You know, see one baby in a center mass. A ball with our flag.
Yeah.
Yes.
Go PNP. Go PNP. You're our father. When you go PNP, go to your leave me alone. When the father said, go on, shall step out.
Me I tell you, man.
Why man go to buy them go meet her? Well, you know, for when Shabal about PNP, you know, long me I watch Cooley and him that.
Yeah, about 2 years now.
Time Shabal for your PNP. About
she big and she grab now. What's there now?
Hey. About 2 years Shabal, she want go PNP. She want go PNP.
Yo. Hey, when Mr. Danishka Williams and I say, but I say PNP girl and pretty. Jesus Christ.
Hey, me I watch about 3 meetings me I watched last night. One in a North Centre.
Yeah. It gone over almost 100 people like it, how much thousand people are watching, you know.
Yeah.
Come on TikTok page, I put it up on my TikTok.
Oh.
2,790 people last time I put it up. I view it.
Me not see that one there. Never gonna look on it.
With the MP man, ready to power life.
Oh, okay.
Simpson, Miller Smith.
Miss Miller. Simpson Miller, yeah.
All right. You see when me not cut the tiny. Tanya, you see when me that tell you say, she have to focus up on them part. You see the one when me send away. She the upper in a Meadowbrook area. She there where the road mash up, where she stand up in it and her knee almost gone down in the hole. Yeah, send it come here.
When?
Searches.
A tree you sent come give me yesterday and I'm a post a tree of them, you know.
A tree. You look pan last night back and I sent some things to you last night.
Yeah,
but what I'm saying, look at me. You know the players.
With Andrew and someone and the one with
all right, now go look back feet and send it.
Yeah, man.
You know the players, so you have to tell the lady. Oh, the players here. We understand that people want switch.
You know it, because she go up on it last night. Me I watch her. She go up on it and she said the people them a ask her when the road I go fix and things. So me I call her and said, me I go talk to her. And say, look here, make them know, say, you just a come. And a Derek Smith have this for 30 odd years. 30 odd years. And then Derek Smith left and give to Nigel Clark. Nigel Clark, the finance minister, him was the MP for the area there. You understand me? And I'll know Nigel Clark not do nothing. Me tell you, it's a Riverside and Chancellor Hall, Least Flat and Mosquito Valley, a Pembroke Hall, and them place they want to look after. A be a bad road in a Pembroke Hall.
But the boy say, him father did it 30 years and never do it, so why never come pressure him?
All right.
So, I don't know where the people...
I him them for pressure.
All right. She don't have no money. Andrew have the money. Them ask her, she ask Andrew if the Sparks program finish. If none never sign off for them community there.
But all the STEM,
who want over the Sparks program, they stop now. It done. It done.
What?
Them sports program, it
Spark
done now,
program.
but with road, it done now. Cause Andrea either give me buy a house. I mean, I maintain the house.
You
The
burn
house
up.
no
You
must
burn up.
get
Catch a
down.
fire.
Yeah, it's like a mash up.
You get good
Catch a
road from the
fire.
People's National
Sparks catch
Party.
a
You
fire.
never done maintain it. Set I must smash up. You never done maintain it.
Ah,
Just like you never done
I thought about
maintain
the
Juliet
road.
Wall. You
If
not
I
maintain
maintain the road,
Juliet
must
Wall
go.
is all. That's why she have to take Nigel Clark and go a Cayman with Nigel. Cause you not maintain her all. So she have to leave you and go with Nigel Clark a Cayman and go make Nigel Clark maintain it for her.
That's God for me.
Me no response me talk when them ready I saw them the pan mark goal in.
Yeah, I'm Portia.
I'm Portia.
I'm PJ.
Yeah, of a fix it.
Everything then talk. PJ get up in 18 year rainbow.
PJ work then watch her. A man build a road for 18 years and you don't maintain it. You believe it a go keep? If you
No,
not
them
maintain
things-
it, something built for 18 years, you
can't
not
keep.
maintain it, a go keep. It can't
Yeah.
keep.
All if it
Can't
is.
keep. Never.
Them a bust
you have
them
your
anti
furniture.
people them man.
Can't
Them a
keep.
bust a termite
Can't
and eat
keep.
out them brains man. Them have them, you see the JLP supporters
keep.
them in a mental depression.
Right now, look at me.
True, man.
If you have your
True.
furniture, and every day dust a blow, pan it and you not clean it, what happened to it? It's not gonna rotten down.
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah. Must.
You have to clean it. Cause don't take a mash it up.
Don't Andrew maintain him wood in a runner wall to keep it up. Eh? Andrew not maintain him wood in a runner wall to keep it up. Then I said, if you not maintain, if you just a drive on the road and you not maintain it, no must smash down.
If you not put just in your car and a tire one, if the tire one change and you not change it, it's a go
The
bust.
pump will burn up.
No,
Somebody pump will burn up if you not gas in a car. Pump will burn up.
man, we have to talk
Exactly.
same way. No, man, it's over save all our talk until election day. We talk anytime we want to talk.
No, sir. We talk right 3 times.
Right, true.
Yeah.
General shipment then.
We talk every time.
Maintain the road now.
We are talking about the people them listen, because people are listening.
All you Dennis Chung,
Top of the life.
all you Dennis Chung, I come here, come thief now. Warmington no want your body, you know. Warmington no want your body, Dennis Chung.
Also me listen to PNP talking. What we talking, say lady? Yes, I listen to PNP attack. What we talking? You never go on Liberate Live a year in time them attack worse than we.
And when we catch the place, we will.
When them attack some things and I talk about Mark Gold and rape off Sandra from she 15 year old, you never hear what them attack. Me not afraid for done there, me no response. Me no response. Well, Angel, yeah, but Darrell Val's a 1-2 Angel, cause your bottom part done. You could have wear pampas. You know, see all the one we sit up on the name Charmian. But in a way, they on the low on the road. Low on the road. Look how much man the American, nobody knows see she in a wheelchair.
I'm at the building where I was and I took up the extension and I called somebody at the main office and I said, listen to me.
Be a corruption, eh? You go put a man along with the eye in a eye should be one of the integrity commission position.
FIB.
Yeah. None of them feel it. Him never in.
FIB.
None experience. None of them feel it. None of them feel him. None of experience.
I cover one man to come cover up in corruption like when I cover it up already.
And the Governor General, Governor General, boy, if you go home, you know about him, boy. Boy, if you go home, man, because you're full of corruption.
Then put
You
injection
don't
in,
get taxpayer money for
injection in, man.
corruption and support.
The injection in, man.
Corruption.
You get injection, remember saying get injection, remember? Remember saying get injection,
If you go home, man, the boy, if you go home, man. The body boy them for go home. I don't know him name. I don't want to know him name. Governor General boy, go home. Family Ram, go home. Go home. Cause your wife, sister, you're there with. You're grind off all your wife, sister. You're grind off all your wife, niece them. Body boy, go home. Man. We're tired of you. Go home. Governor General, go home. Go home. Blood clean.
Them same sick.
Them the most sick. I'm a family ram. I'm grinding mother, I'm grinding sister, I'm grinding niece, I'm grinding all him brother. Him the most blood clean sick. Well, for bacteria must full up him body and infection. If you go home now, move him blood clean. Him go if you go to England, go Mount the King. Where the king grind all him mother. Grind all him sister them. And grind all him auntie them. And they same for go and leave Jamaican. I'm not good for the country. Have a corruption, the Prime Minister do you support him? There's nobody in the parliament to tell Andrew, say, Andrew, you're not doing good. You're not doing good. None of them. Because the whole of them are corruption.
I think the one thinking, me can't have my friend, I say my friend I do wrongs. I may not tell my friends I wrong them I do. I make them get in a trouble.
For real. Me can't have my friend, I see my friend I go to wrong me. I mean, make my friend know, say, yo, y'all go to wrong me. If me not even want, I like it in a public. Me I call you one side and make you know you're wrong, you know. I hear that thing you do, you know. Try to make a mistake there again, man. Yeah. I hear that thing you do, man. Leg off of that. None of them. Yeah. None of them in the can't tell him nothing. So when he get the same thing.
When he get sink at the wall of them, I will get sink with him.
Alpaca in my basement, Paca living I know. Basement Paca living I. Paca talk about buy blood clean. And buy a thing there, a transgender. Paca buy transgender, them beating at the blood clean hotel and still take the grind from him. They must still take the grind. And you want company, yes, come talk about Mark Wall in this and Mark Wall in that. But talk about your bleed up body. Because your virginity gone with your body. Your body stretch out now, it's tight again. Boy, Paca, you me a chat. Low Marky G have put Sandra. Is a chan, you know, no woman that go by a transgender. I wait one name.
But more than if them have pitney. Alpaca and then we talk if them have pitney.
Paca no get no pitney. Paca no get no pitney. Yeah, me tell you, say Paca batty man. Paca love shit pit. Me no know what pussy do Paca. Make him no love pussy. A shit pit Paca love.
But you talk about we have the money.
I have send request coming on my box. So I suck on the mother.
How that?
Our Nigel. On labor right boy, same for yourself. Andrew face me and say, go suck your mother, you can't come in the box about him, man.
No, and
look at miss. You want to put a bottom man in here?
We don't want a labor right in there, make him go suck him, mama.
Yeah, go suck your mother.
But them not good at come talk, election time with them, we don't want to hear from them. Go suck your mother.
I'm going to pray the Andrew blood clot shit pit.
Go look for Angel. Angel want a man. Go see if you can fix up Angel bottom part for her.
Why them always want coming over box?
Go see if you can spray some sperms in a munchy face and see if you can get little look.
Important, you know, that's they are work. I can't manage liquor miss this morning. Honestly to God, liquor miss have me crack. I can't take liquor miss, you know.
Thing there.
What me I gonna do with you?
Mama, Jamie,
what me I gonna do with you?
What the name? Nigel, something like that.
What me I gonna do with you, liquor miss? No, sir. I don't know.
Yeah, man, I'm for money from them, man.
Wicked.
Nigel still send request, look at me. Him still send request.
Make him send request on thy mother. And the moon to tell for go look for goodie and send a request on that goodie. We don't want them over here.
Yeah.
Can be a corruption, them a back.
Yeah.
Them now come here and contact the truth and say the Prime Minister and deal with corruption and now run the country good. Make him go look for Anjo.
Big up,
comrade.
Yeah, man. Tiny.
Yo.
Bless up yourself, man. Bless up yourself.
Bless up, my homie. Bless up. What
Yeah,
in
man,
my place?
yeah.
My place good.
Yeah, man, your place good, man.
Andrew on his face. You know why you're in there? Go on for Andrew on his son. I'm going to piss
Yeah, man, you're so good, man. You're so good. You're so good.
Miss Juliet, Miss Liquor Miss, and my people, one of my people in this, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I'm one of my people, man, and I'm a place, you see it.
So when I say, he might type say war. What mean?
We always a link up to know the place I go.
The war with
man
Andrew.
price good.
Andrew, if you go war with, we make you hungry.
Everything
Because
bless,
Andrew
man.
belly full and Funa belly empty.
Not pay them attention, and that's why them send them, and that's why them send them the 233 gun. To come war. You know, you hear the man say war. So that's why them send them the gun, but them our next guest come in. Them are wipe it out. Them are turn it on themselves.
And that them plan for do, man. Them plan to come war, to kill out PNP if we can get the winning. But Andrew Holness can never
Analyze,
get
baby. Analyze.
Analyze, T. Analyze, yeah, analyze.
Analyze.
Him not move. Him still stand at the wall. But you want coming over back, so?
Make him be a fly on the wall. Be a fly on the wall. Just stay like
Ask
a
him
fly
who
on the
is.
wall.
Can he identify himself? Who is
Put
he?
him up. Mama son. Mama son, put him up and bring him up. Bring him up. I could hear what I must say.
Bring him up, Mama son. Yeah, bring him up.
Go ahead, sir. You have something to say? Go ahead.
Yeah, well, the picture provoking me a PNP, you know.
So why you put up that
So why you
picture,
have that picture?
Because I like hearing one and I scream and I carry on. That's why I say war.
Okay, we don't like that because we were done, yo. That's
why we are done, yo. Because we set up Andrew. But you can't be a PNP and have that pioneer.
That's why I got terrorizing there Friday, yeah. You're so gonna get mad and ready for war.
Yeah. We're ready. We're ready to have our bulletproof.
That one who said 100 people them now nothing good for come talk.
A politics
not good for that, you know, everything that unfold upon them and them can't hide.
Yeah, that is it.
And the man already silenced the NID. So him not allow it to come out the report there. So everything right now hide it. And they might try to send out him 2 youth them for God, North Carolina.
Wow.
They have big house at Atlanta.
Yeah, he must shit them out. He must start shit them out.
I might try to sell some of my property to some private sector people and I might try to get millions and then fly out.
Hold on there. Let me ask you something. Are you a Porsche son-in-law?
Yeah.
You know, if I identify yourself, people there know you, man. Miller, people there know you. Nobody with the screechy thing. How are you? How are you, Miller? Miller.
Yeah.
Miller. Don't do that, man. Intellectual there. When you come on them, you're live here. Intellect, hey, Miller, not do that.
But me like here when you not cuss and I carry on.
Yeah, I don't say no to that.
I don't mean that nephew.
Oh, just cool. Bless up, one love. Bless up, bless up, one love.
Oh yeah, that mean that nephew.
Sister P, son-in-law, Mr. Miller's son.
Me know two of them uncle them, the one where live out to Reddy's Road to Park and where. Yeah.
You mean Lyde Miller?
Yeah, Lyde Miller, yeah. I mean what Danny Miller. Danny Miller not dead. Danny Miller is dead.
In buried in front of my grandmother.
Yeah.
Mexican.
Yeah. I was my friend that, you know, good friend.
Miss Adri Clark. for Hanover, Kendall.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Boy, the people them time come.
Yeah, man, time come.
What them going to do? We're not gonna lock them up.
Yeah, man. When the right time come.
Create prison, them a go.
They never block the corruption.
Him have a helicopter and a private jet, you know. Him all have one of the helicopter. Him all have one of the helicopter them who can land on them private boat.
I hear Mama son, she mute.
Yeah, she up on the phone. She up on the phone.
No, me ask Mr. Miller just to give you some information so the boy pack up the pit to them. Him daughter them and send them away. Cause 2 girl him have, you know. 2 girl him have, you know. Son him have, you know.
Yeah, him have a real estate company with Zachary Harding, the same Zachary Harding who thief out Usain Bolt money from SSL. You don't know Zachary Harding, man, him used to dip on the TVJ and the whole big show them.
Yeah.
Field father used to be a MP or something like that in a parliament.
May I ask you something? You believe Usain Bolt should they take position where the Prime Minister give him?
No. Usain Bolt sell out. You know, say Usain Bolt father dead angry man because Usain Bolt father tell him nothing. For married to that the woman then him did love him first time girlfriend. But Usain Bolt switch.
Yeah, with a jump player. And I go the father did love up a water, look get a girl from Waterhouse, you know.
Father dead with a broken heart.
Yeah.
Where they tell him me where man
broken heart. Usain Bolt father dead with a broken heart and I see it's the same girl now and our big friend them Zachary Harding and all of the uptown man them carrying on boat out of Maiden Key Beach and friend him up and some friend where him used to have where him get some new friend where him get where him never know before. He may have some bona fide man around him still, you know, but the other friend them, the socialites, and them make him go put him money in the SSL and them rob him. So in a way, I don't really feel sorry for him.
Yeah, no, I'm not sorry for him, I'm not sorry for him. He's a traitor.
Yeah, he's a traitor.
He's a traitor.
And you know one music song named Renaissance Disco. You know the Renaissance Disco. You have one boy named Jazzy T. And friend up them boy there in a Pembroke Pines or Miramar and have him come around the whole heap of uptown people them like the Syrian and the Chinese man them. The man see me and run me away, you know. Dismiss. So I just sit down and watch him from afar. And the man, even though I'm far from him, I make eye contact and I see him around him Chinese friend them and him Syrian friend them. And the man well happy. I said to myself, say one day, man, even if it take 100 years, you go sorry. But he did that on a high.
Yeah.
I remember when he did go to China for I think him second time in the Olympics. All of the uptown people, them Jazzy T, DJ Khaled and Zachary Harding and them uptown friend them, the Issa them and the Matalan them and all the big Jamaican them. Sean Paul and Bob Marley grandson, the brown one them, the one them with the brown one them, the half white one them. The whole of them surround him so him feel special. But see they know him put him money and lose that he will never get back that the money there.
But you know what them do, them put him in a position where taxpayer to pay it back.
Yeah, but whatever money might get whatever pay might get a night or whenever them get paid, him can't get it back. A little choppings. Them just give him some little interest money, some little pay, just give him a little paycheck. But he not gonna get back the bulk of it. Him not even going to get him might get maybe 20% or 15%, but not the full. So if them just try to make him feel good. Cause him fool. If him did smart, he would have take him money and invest it in America. Like Andrew. Because Andrew smarter than Andrew thief all of the money and invest it in America. Him have how much apartment complex and stores in Atlanta, South Carolina, and North Carolina. So and Zachary Harding help him set up that.
I have another
Okay,
white.
that's why I'm telling
We can't
people
get
them
back
same
all
belly
of the
full.
chief. We can't
Yeah,
get them back.
then you have some white Jamaicans named Abrahams. Them related to the Hardins, them Abrahams. Some Jewish white Jamaicans, them big high class Jamaicans. Yeah. So them people in power on.
So money spread all over the country, the whole world. So that's why I'm telling people them same belly full there now. And pot a boil up. You never see smoke without fire.
Nigel Clark gone. I believe him have money there at all.
No man, Nigel Clark, you can't touch him because right now I'm protected by IMF. That's why I take the job. That job there is like an international diplomatic job, you know. So untouchable, no government in the world. The money IMF linked to Rome, you know. IMF is like the Catholic bank for Rome.
Okay.
The Pope.
Yeah, the Pope.
When you say IMF, you say the Pope. And when you say the Pope, you say IMF.
Okay.
Not even Andrew Wallace did know say him did that. And the job at IMF.
Who that man mute to the mic, man?
You understand?
No, the life for them.
Nigel, very intelligent. He is very crafty. Because when Andrew Wallace here saying get job, IMF, him couldn't do nothing to stop it. Can't do nothing.
So it's a surprise. It's a surprise. Nigel get Andrew.
Yeah, man. Because him see the downfall, you know. Because him see it for a long time. Because him rob up the money. Him and one of the illicit 7 and the illicit 5. But him untouchable. You can never touch him because him is protected by the IMF and the Catholic Church.
Okay.
So, untouchable. Him have British and him have one passport where you can't take it away from him.
Oh.
But Andrew Wallace now have a Jamaican passport. Donald Trump going to give him asylum. Yes, so see, man. Let me tell you where am I going to do. Him not going to call the election right away. You know. Him go try go to the GG, the Governor General, and try. You see the gun them did there if he try create havoc, you know, so him would make Jamaica turn into like a martial law type thing.
Yeah.
Like the CIA in a Siaga time.
Yeah, because a Siaga teach him. He might take a play out of Siaga book. Just say Siaga.
Exactly, that miss all the time.
Yeah, it just says Siaga never played through all the way.
Oh, brother. Hold on there. Oh, that would be nice, man. I want to listen. I want to say, you know.
I give me and people give me gift and I say give me again.
I want to listen why I say. Listen, I saw you learn and who have the mic open to the bag of nice. Stop the bag of nice and make the people them listen.
Hello, live call them I did gift them I get to make the nice, sir.
Okay.
Okay. One again, my brother. One, bless up.
So anyway, the whole heap of gun them is that I just and not even, you know, them never even stop all of the gun them because what them a plan to do, I get the youth them. The gun them for create havoc, and them are gonna get two sides. Them are get the PNP and them are get the JLP, two sides. Because a beer gang them are gonna give them money, them are give them money and them gun them for do whatever. And them are gonna tell the police them to stand one side, and the police them going to be powerless.
Thank you very much for the gift.
The police them going to be powerless. Some of the soldiers them going to want to try to defend the thing. But him have the soldier them, and I can remember, you know, the soldier them have to follow orders for England, even though them are Jamaican. You understand? So I get plus even though him getting new degree, you know, keep forgetting, you know, Andrew Wallace is a kingsman, which is unprecedented. No politician supposed to be a kingsman or a queensman. Him is a kingsman. Meaning him is a knight of the realm. Him is like a knight, you know. Him is Sir man is Sir Andrew Wallace, you know. You know, remember when him go talk to the king after his mother dead? And then you hear the king say, "Oh, how you doing today? How is Portia?" And Mr. I hear she's sick. Yeah. Kings man, no election now call, man. He might try to get the GG if he do some kind of emergency thing. Cause there's a caveat in the law, and he might get 2 extra years. And that's when you see that 2 year the way I'm going to get, and that's the whole heap of crime, or not even crime, but war. So better get ready for it. He might try to create history in Jamaica where Jamaica end up like in a war like Haiti.
Oh.
No election now call.
You think so?
But no, so remember, you know, him just have a limit. Him from now to September, him have limited amount to try and make Jamaica a republic, you know. But him change his mind about the republic because he want the 2 extra year. Because you see, if him can get the 2 extra year, some things when put in place going to make him like what they call it, billionaire. Right now, film goal is to have as much money as leeching. Yeah. And so see him soon depend which government leader you know depend Forbes list. That time goal, you know. They depend the Forbes list. And him wife.
Yes, Mama Sam, see I can try to gift them.
Him wife go help him.
Only God knows. Only God knows. Come rescue me. Thank you very much.
Them have helicopter can land on expensive yacht. And them have private jet.
Okay. That man is a copycat in everything people have. Him want to do it, you know. He's a copycat. Everything him see people want to do. So through leeching have money, him want him a trillionaire, him want to turn a billionaire. Him already billionaire, so him want to turn trillionaire now.
The man don't make moves with China already. But then Trump get vexed about that. So now he might try and make some move with Jamaica. So Jamaica going to cut in a half. Half for China, half for the US.
Okay, half for you and half for me.
Yes. But China no really want to share Jamaica. China no want to share Jamaica with the US.
So Mr. Miller, what the Jamaican citizens can do to avoid those errors?
It's too late.
It's too late?
Too late.
Backside. So now up on the eye.
What the time man make we hear when I say no man?
Look here, hey, you know when you know say too late is when Nigel jump ship. That's when you know say too late. Nigel save him ass. Nigel save himself. Right now, when Nigel can take all a big plane and no Jamaican authorities can stop him. He can go to England anytime he want. England, you know. That's one of the main home hub at the IMF, you know, England. With a private castle, with some green grass and some expensive antique car. And they might drink coffee and tea with crumpets. And they might have some tall, funny looking dog. And some big leather boot to your knees. And some expensive British clothes. Too late. If Jamaica did smart too, if Jamaica the poor people them did smart, they would have tried impeach him from 2 years ago. But it's too late. No election now call, man. You're going to see the end of June and no election now call, same way. Then when July come, you're going to go. At July, the hot water go start bubbling.
Mr. Miller, we don't want to hear that, we attack. We want to know about the drill.
Eh?
No, come out and nothing we are going there.
No, man, we can just can export. The only thing going to come out is people going to get frustrated and realize something wrong. By July, something wrong. By July, people protest them when they used to. By July, the place in a chaos. People are going to get frustrated. In July, people are going to get frustrated.
Why, Mr. Miller, what you are saying? Say nothing now come out there, Me not say. Me not say nothing, but something have to come out. Something have to come out. So what do you? And you know better than God. We have something.
The only thing going to come out are Jamaican people.
Somebody asked him to have the power to stop the election from Carl.
No, he must do it, man. He might create a state of emergency and then him going to try to get the GG and the Minister of Finance to try do some loophole with the it in the Constitution, you know. For him to get an emergency extra 2 years.
That's why we now come out to a demonstration. The only way we can do that. Unless a demonstration of one, him can't draw a card from that.
Right now, I swear.
Look here.
Them gun there is like him never want them gun to get catch, but them gun there.
The GG dead, you know. The GG can't call nothing, the GG dead, you know.
No, but there's
the boy kill analyze the GG, you know. The GG dead slowly but surely.
June, July, you're going to get new GG.
Oh! I know where I go. I know when I come up.
Yeah.
Man, I tell them the way I go
on. The GG dead, man. Then I hear me tell us something.
All you have to do is walk me here with ears.
You're going to say
GG 96 more
in a July, Jamaica bubble.
Where my car state emergency for Mr. Miller and Jamaica in an hour? Where state emergency for?
No, you say you interrupt me, no, me I tell you about the gun. Them gun there a little bit of gun on the kitchen. And let them gun there the ammunition and a little bit of gun and ammunition, you know. Enough more than they know. What you see there, so multiply that times 20.
Them say, somebody say 96 more gun fine. Them find 96 more gun.
Because the police, you know why the police them work hard to find the gun? Because everything when I go tell you go happen in July, them no want them afraid for it happen, but it come in like a storm where you can't stop. Because the police is like the police hierarchy. God bless the JCF. Because you see the JCF mean good for the people, you know. God bless the Jamaican Constabulary Force because you have some good leadership in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. But not even them could have foresee the gloom and doom what will happen in July. But them are try them best to try and get the gun them, but it's like a 70-30. Meaning negatively 70. The odds, the police.
So may I ask you a question? You believe Andrew Holness and the King and Nigel Clark them bigger than God?
No.
I see him, so Mr. Little Miss, here let me say.
Okay.
God can turn the angle of things that no man can get the control of it away from him. Jesus
but
himself.
Sometimes God selfish, you know. Sometimes sometimes God will say, why don't the people rise up and take the initiative and help themselves? Because God help those who help themselves, you know.
What you want with
what
you want the people them do?
But God not in a hypocrite. God not in none of these things like what him do.
What are you telling us to do now, Mr.
Hey, suppose me tell you some labor right people have see Andrew corruption and really want to come and unite with PNP, but because of the partisan feelings between PNP and JLP, because only together one can defeat Andrew Holness, you know. PNP can't defeat Andrew Holness by themselves. You're going to need labor right for help on the defeat Andrew Holness. And only for labor right want to remove him to, you know. Unity can defeat Andrew Holness, but division The man have it. Andrew Wallace is a demonic genius. Remember me tell you.
Him is the head of the demons, so that's why he know all the tricks them have to do.
Yes.
But God is there for him too, because remember, you know, Satan don't want rule God's kingdom, and God took the war, cast him out of heaven. So God going to cast this demon and out of this thing.
Yeah, but God could have did save Rome, you know, but Rome got down anyway.
Mighty God.
Look here. Remember Pharaoh. The whole of God people.
Exactly.
You understand me? And I go on like say him own God people.
Yeah.
And God say enough is enough.
Yeah, but God work with the people in Egypt, but the people did stick together. Jamaican people not stick together.
But at the end of the day, wait now. At the end of the day, you'd have some people. Wait now. Look here now.
PNP can't defeat Andrew Wallace by themselves.
At the end of the day, it just like with Labour Party. If the Labour Party win, Labour right alone can't make Labour Party win.
No.
You have to get some support from the People's National Party.
Exactly, look at me.
And at the same time,
exactly, look at me.
I get support from enough of the Labour Party too, but they're going to keep themselves silent and I wait till the right time.
If Andrew was going to call the election, you know, things that beer sweets with all I give out right now.
Them a give out sweets. Them a give out sweets.
They not give out the real sweets. They not get the real sweets them yet, man.
It start, man, but it's not one.
It start. Look here. Me now counteract what you say.
I want and two ice cement and 1 and 2 Wrigley's a pass out.
Yeah, but look here.
No big lollipop or no big expensive candy now give out yet.
Look here,
no election now call because the man I get ready to make sure say the whole heap of gun them come in and they gonna make sure say PNP get some gun and they gonna make sure say JLP get some gun because they gonna make sure say all the gangs in the 14 parish them. Whether them a PNP affiliate or JLP affiliate, all the gangs them going make sure say every gangs have them gun.
But them still have gang in Jamaica. Them not
gang they are Jamaica, man. Enough gangs they are Jamaica, man.
Them still dismantle gang.
No gang can't dismantle, man.
Mr. Miller.
What's that gang?
Then why them a try to bring down all the gang in the country? If them are
bring down no gang
like that.
I don't know, he might not bring down the gang. He might try to take out the leader them and put in new leadership in the gangs. You have some young youth in the gangs who want to be leader, you know. So when you take out the leader, them what they in there now and replace him for some new young leader now, them new young leader, them impressionable and easy for control.
We are called mad. We are say mad over here about mad house life. Yeah, man, make us stay mad. You sober you over here. Say no matter that we drunk, huh?
Yeah. Them know a real talk me attack, but you two say everything play out in July. No, next week of June, you know, if no election not call in June. And see if no election not call in the entire June, brace yourself.
Look here. I decree and I declare in the mighty name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Election Africa. In Jamaica.
No, in
Jamaica.
And June is not calling no election in June 2025.
Look here. Look here what you say. But I decree and I declare in the Jesus Christ atmosphere in here it's African. African.
When?
In African.
When?
In African in the mighty name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. July. Anna we man say. Look here. Anna we man say. Anna we man say. What God say.
Claim it in a try, no?
Mr. Miller, you come like a campaign, you come for campaign for Andrew only, sir, no?
No, man, the man a team, man. Me just
Let us tell you, Commander.
You come over here chat foolish to my head.
Stop foolish about that.
Look here.
Come on, man.
Andrew for keep up him fuck in Jamaica. About people's actions.
Listen, the only way I can defeat Andrew on this is if PNP and JLP come together because enough labor.
You know, see the conference in a central.
Enough labor right now get rid of Andrew on this too, you know. You don't think so?
Look here now, give me a talk.
Come on, man.
We listen to you enough. You don't see a
No, but ask you a question. You don't think so enough labor right now get rid of Andrew on this too?
Yeah, man,
then look here.
Yeah, what you do now? Have a good day now. Because with the power topic attack, you come with the fuck.
All right.
Okay.
Go about your business, man.
I mean, I fuck you come with. Come on, Tiny. I fuck you come with, brother.
Yo, let's come like he agree with it.
Andrew want to speak to
Cut him out.
Him agree with that.
No. Man, you labor.
What do you mean?
Man, I know him send them down.
I
go to him send them down.
Me have a show no now. That boy they for call Portia, Lucretia, Simpson Miller, mother-in-law, I'm stepmother. And if him can support, if him, boy, me have up Andrew picture. How you do that, Miller?
Look here.
You can only fool some of the people some of the time.
But if you don't approach
with them fuckery.
He's a labor right. Him is a labor right.
We are doing anti-picture. Like if he's a bad man there, we know you. And you know, me I try to show you just there within the false narrative. That's why I give you the chance to make sure I identify you, dry out first. If you come level, you come undercover.
Yeah.
Undercover.
What do you, Miller, man?
Undercover.
That's why I say me can't hide Miller yard boy for me. Miller, a Scotland yard me deal with. A Scotland. Miller, you come. That's why I say me dying for Buchanan win. Me can't make me reveal myself to my people. So if you think to yourself, there's a little joker there when me attack, don't do it, Miller. You come undercover, come talk to who?
The man from this guy, man, say my PNP when the man is a labor right.
You know, yeah, the man right. They are still and ignorant when them again after we say a Portia in me I say yo, all right. And everything the man
that's why we love him.
You don't feel him.
And your favor, I'm nobody
feel him.
But me not feel him. No, me not feel him.
Me not feel him. Him same one that done Portia.
Yeah, get my blood class. Life goal them and my price them. I know I cost me people them I give me gift.
You want to talk about God. You want to talk about God. You want to talk about God this and that.
Somebody come to give me gift now. Now the people them gone through now cost the blood clot people them more. I make be nice. And I fuck with the man attack. I fuck him and chat people head. Or if you come to the time where people are suffer. I come up here, blood clot. One is not called election. Election, this and election.
And that's a hard cause of comfort. You remember come and talk and tell people say. What I tell people say? When we hear that boy come and tell my boy.
So they go say two side of people. So which labor target PNP go to kill them?
If I say boy, I look at me talking now. If I say no, I look at me talking.
Yeah.
Like my time now, I look at them. I look at me start putting my shame on my. I tell him Almighty. Say my like my quail. You see me?
Him no want hear that part, the man.
No
one hear that. Hey, me know say when him talk about God this and when me say God can see like how God make Satan try to overthrow and God rule him out of heaven. I see we with Andrew.
Yeah.
You see man talk against it. That's why me know say him no good.
Yeah, that's why I know say something wrong when we are talking about God.
That's what I know say no good. How when little me start talk about God, God can do all things.
Yeah.
You see, man, I try to cover up little miss. Because he knows something right.
He know
He know him right. So little miss come with something where him don't want to hear.
Don't want to hear.
Don't want to hear what little mister say. Because little mister come too strong. Little miss.
Yeah.
Little miss.
Yeah.
Go and do your thing. Same way, little miss. Because enough people are not going to get you when you open your mouth.
Yeah.
True, man.
Because
real thing.
Reality shall come with. I am a man of God. So me believe in a God. Me not believe in no man on the
I
earth.
come a nice clean gift, sir. Only God is no give me my gift. And there's some of them I bust up on my screaming. When I talk about temple, and for this blood clot man come from I promote blood clot and you want to corruption.
Sorry about that mama, sir. Sorry about that mama, sir.
When I have the man come here, this say, and me say, Mr. Miller, what you tell to say? So all the work we are doing, we are working vain. We are working vain. I don't want to have my blood clot gift that will come here and gift me. Respect your own.
I want Gina somebody coming out.
I see it now.
You see it now.
That's what Bobby King said.
35 batch. Look at me, it's a big gift over here. Give me gift, 35 batch gifter. Some of them soon want friend me gifter and well, them want to take away him from me.
Yeah.
I don't see gifter come and give me, I don't want bumper clot. Make this dirty man here come with them fuck with.
But you see,
when how much months me there I work and I first me find one gift with 35 batch and give me something I don't want stop my blood clot food.
But you see, me that tell you a long time, you know, say, don't put up the pussy in the box. You
mama.
Because you can't be a PNP and by your DP. What you say?
Pick up yourself.
Me that tell her, say, don't put him up in the box. Because you can't talk about your PNP, you have Anjo. I'm just pick him up now. Him the depend thing there. Him the live I can't do Porsche.
All right, baby. Me there, yeah.
I like that thing. Where much I think?
Look
I know real cost.
Come up here.
You're not easy, you know. I see him to the top.
Campaign for Andrew and him corruption.
You know the man to you, man.
Him can't lose. And him this and the king and that. Hey boy, you bat him and go suck your mama.
But me tell you now, that's the boy, yeah. You cannot campaign. You can't say you're PNP and you have up Anjo.
Anjo picture, you have a real.
Anjo picture. That's why I should have taken my box. That's why I should have taken my box.
Me not tell them.
Me never take him in when Bobby King say
Juliet Robinson take him out.
I was the one when him start talk. I said, "Oh yeah, ain't you, Mr. Miller?"
Yeah.
I was the one who identify him.
Yeah.
But all the Bobby identify, Bobby probably thinks that him is which way. That's why my identity.
Yeah. In there, go on like my PNP.
Him come and he say he is a socialist.
Like him a Porsche.
Listen, a boy will run up and down.
No, but him say he's a socialist, you know. When he step in first, he say, I am a socialist.
He can't be Porsche said so much a big stick in labor right too.
Him not like Porsche.
Yeah.
Him don't like Porsche.
This Porsche.
Over and big pussy mama we can't come up in platform. Hey, Batty boy, going on.
This
you not gonna suck yourself, pussy.
And this man is Porsche.
Yeah,
that's about Porsche. I come with Andrew on his face. Yeah, I come this Porsche. I come with Andrew on his Porsche. I can't tell you.
Why never Porsche picture up there? Let's Batty boy, man.
A chichi boy that.
What you like for you when you come? That's why you put the picture up there. Go and suck your mama.
That's why you see me that identifying and I ask him if him have an uncle. Live out to Park Lane way because out there saw labor right. Reddy's Road. That's how I'm
asking. You don't want to hear that. You don't want to hear that.
Look at me,
you don't want to hear. You don't want to hear that.
Look at me, say me and pick him up, and I say, yo, something I write to that boy, that man there, but we just are listening.
Yeah, we just are going listening.
Yeah.
I true Bobby King said, we feel just easy and listen with him, car. I want to rush him long time, but to me respect Bobby King.
Yeah,
you know what?
But you see, to the picture where him have up, to the picture where him have up, I want to know if you listen what him has said to the picture where him have up, because I make sure I identify him to honor first.
We sorry about a screenshot him.
The man just step Andrew can't lose. And the gun there, more gun there than it have got issue to the 14th parish. So you see, say, all him for God blood.
We sorry about that recording. We sorry about that recording, blood.
But you know the people record it. People cannot record it too.
People can't record it.
Yeah, it was it was if you liberate and PNP.
Yeah, the gun them are share for liberate and PNP. And all of the youth them and them have got riot and make was July.
You think say you think say Andrew one is a give him two them gun.
Not poor China. Your big dirty stinking mama will bring you come up here with a dirty batty man self. You come out must say I look out Andrew one is batty wall. Oh, you know so much. So
yeah, oh, you know so much.
Oh, you know
what one. You know what one. You know what one with the gun them.
You must suck Andrew.
You know what one with the gun them.
You know, the man say Andrew support his son.
Yeah, I support his son.
Him know them something.
I'm followers.
No, it's them. Yeah, man.
What do you mean upon a live, right? And the same version of company. Because the labor, them pull me in palm live. I mean, I tell them so they can't win and did it. That man, they come in there and say, go kill some PNP. Labor then take him down. So, he look like him is a mischief maker, smartly, that man there. Everyone go, violence. He must say gun. We will kill some people. If you check out him page,
Hey, like you the man a sing for the gun them.
The man a sing for the gun
them. Gun them and not a boss. More there.
It's an ex-soldier. It was like an ex-soldier, be a soldier picture in Havoc.
Yeah. It looks like my ex-soldier. So he might
be a gun, be a violence.
They want to investigate.
Anyway, go, I'll be a killing in talk about.
The brother of them are labor right. That's why I asked him. That's why I said to him, say, you have an uncle live on Reddy's Road to Park Lane. I'm ask him, I said, Danny Miller are your uncle. I know them. They are labor rights.
And him don't answer your little miss.
They are labor rights.
Answer tell her yes.
Yeah, answer me say yes.
Okay.
I'm say Danny Miller dead now. And him say, yeah, I'm buried beside him mother country.
Right.
You understand me?
Right. That's what me the part.
Me they are going to listen him good still. You understand me? Oh, me I listen me and say, You can be a PNP and attack so much. But
exactly.
Andrew and Nigel like them untouchable.
Exactly.
Nobody can touch them. So that's why I'm ask him. You don't believe in a God. You don't believe in God. And you have to call it. You know too much, Miller. Hey, let me tell you something. For me see the picture, you know, true Juliet say put him up, you know. Because I know Tanya that go follow me. Don't put him up. No put him up. Because when me say them, the labor right them now, not no good for come up contact, say. Yeah, be a corruption.
You see picture when I have up, it's a picture of one Jamaican cartoon. We probably have PNP as one man where I get order to kill one Chinaman. One new they come out on YouTube. And the picture there in Havoc as a broken picture. I just take it over. So they have a cartoon now where I go against PNP where I say them I give out the hard to kill people. I be a gun tonight. I kill one Chinaman. They shoot the Chinaman in the cartoon. The whole of money I spend around to undermine PNP. You say, then I sense and this and that. You understand?
Mama son.
Him know too much. Him in the organization. Him in the criminal organization.
My wife, you see, my wife work up on where JBC used to be.
Yeah.
And many time then keep board me up there. My wife tell me say many time me hear things. As me hear it from before it come out.
Yeah.
Then she said by the end of June to the end of July, you have a year election call.
He thinks so too.
Yeah,
She
that's why.
tell-
Guess
she
what?
tell me that.
That's why.
She
Me not
tell
put
me
you there.
that.
I
Cause
told
them keep
them
a
this
board
now.
meeting. Them
I
keep
told
a
the
board
boy come for
meeting.
2 away after I'm saying we plan
Yes.
how much people over here, you know. So I'm come for 2
Exactly.
like what we are doing now, do not now people now here. We can suck your mother.
Exactly.
Over here, so.
Because when me hear my talk, they say, Mr. where my talk? And where my come from with them something? Where my come from with these things?
Me don't know.
In things that we are here over here.
How much gun come and how much still there you out there?
We are not fool
The
over here.
sir never record. Nobody not record it. Well, we can put it out.
I
Get it
don't. You know,
all
say that come to
over.
my mind, but me never do it. That come to my mind, but I never do it. It come to my mind to record him.
There
but I
somebody never do it, man. If you make Andrew can know, so we know the things them. We get
Exactly.
some information about you. Make them
All right, look
nation.
at this.
Make the Jamaican people them know.
Look at this.
Yeah.
I was trying to talk in the group, say anybody who tape this must send it to Mama San. Anybody who tape
Them
it,
a hear me.
send it to
Anybody who
Mama
tape
San.
it, just send it over to
Send it
Mama San.
San. Cause these
Anybody
things,
who
these
that
are
listen on
evidence.
record it,
Right.
just send it out.
Cause these are the evidence to Andrew Wellness, to where this man come speak this morning.
Yeah, a big evidence, to the man.
Evidence these. He thinks that we are fool. He thinks that we are fool runners, sir.
We put down
Madman, that man. You come like say you're PNP, but you're socialist. And you know say you're liberal.
Him give you a whole heap of information about
Exactly. That's all him do.
You open my eyes.
You open the eye to
people
whole
them
heap of
eyes.
information. And that's all him doing. He give you a whole heap of information.
Him give
Make
you a
him
whole
see
heap
it,
of
nah.
information.
Yes, man.
Make him see it, nah.
Him in them organization.
Exactly.
I know about the gun, I know about everything. I know how the gun I go share. Everything.
Them know. Everything them know.
Him know about all of the bad, but him not believe in a God. A God
No.
me say.
The
A
man
God me
say.
say.
Look at me. The man say. Labor right. PNP will get some of the labor rights help to overthrow the government.
Then I hear me lick him with it and I say, look here.
But
labor
but you must say
right.
no. You must say no. PNP can't win election without labor right unite.
Line Mattel.
And we are majority. We must say.
Line
here.
Mattel.
Look
Line
here.
Mattel.
Enough labor writers say orange, but them just wait till the gate open.
Exactly. Because yesterday me I talked to one labor right, you know. I hear a labor look at me and tell me say, Andrew Wellness a shit house. Cause hear why. I don't know what happened to something going in Spanish Town where Spanish Town people me see it on the in here it on the news, but they don't hear exactly what take place. So the people them want Andrew Wellness to step down. Spanish Town people them. But him saying don't hear the news go to what happened? Why them say he must step down? So the man I say Andrew Wellness is that shit house. If you come down and he say him, I go vote against Andrew Wellness and him a big strong.
Enough labor, them now enough labor right friends to them American. Them is American, them are the American election though. Them want Andrew for call if you help vote him out. Cause if them not vote Andrew now come out, so them have to vote him out.
Some of my friend them say to a labor right too.
Him to come out.
They not like him.
They not like him.
The worst not like that the man, because the man the worst than Siago, you know.
My labor right friend them say, look at me, I tell you straight, Eddie with love, Edward Siago with the love. With the light Bruce and the one that we hate the one here. Them say Siago are them done. And we can't fight against that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and my friends same way.
Oh boy, this man not easy though.
I want me to lick him and me I say to him, say, you know, see Central Kingston. You look him now answer. Me say, you know, see Central Kingston meeting. Motorcade.
Yeah.
Him now answer upon that.
Him can't answer.
And full of labor right and them come out and them and the PNP, them a dance together. And if a labor right shot a PNP, we now go love it. And if a PNP shot a labor, and them a dance and thing and them look away the unity. You come out with your gun. That's why Tanya, me not cut it. That's why Tanya, let me tell you something. Me listen to Malaru Ras, we should read out. Say, only if a riot or a disaster, Jamaica, the election will put off. I'm going to tell you something. Take it as I tell you. And you will want to see, and you will want to see something crack off for call the state of emergency put off election.
Then we organize the riot, you know, come and say easy, I'm only running.
Then wait now, then that me I tell you so. We have to use our head. When them organize the riot, I feel them people alone are come out. But guess what, man? The way all them people, them wicked, them same one people who put an orange and come out and make it look like a PNP. But
exactly.
What?
Yeah.
We have social media there for video. For say every PNP they want.
We're not in the past. You have to use the avenue where they are now.
Yeah. You understand? I'm tell you something. Andrew, I pray. Andrew, I pray.
Man, they were creating, I tell you. A simple mathematics. So we have to be careful.
Oh, yes. Mute your mind. Mute your mind.
Somebody coming at the box on you. Two new somebody. Hello. Hello.
What the name was?
Smith.
Jamwood. Jamie's Wood. Where I say?
Yeah, me there talk about.
Jamie's Wood there a long time.
Oh, him that talk. Oh.
One below you. Oh, one drop off.
One jump
Let's
out.
set to blood clot straight after we there. So good. I discuss with me.
The one that come in, the one that throw you out.
Me already call me good and this man come disturb you. I call me there.
No, that's the man come here with him dirty blood clot energy come at him about fuckery. About this guy.
Yeah, man. You come from this
yeah, like my God. Yeah, God. You know about you. Like my God. And your God.
Governor General. So I know the Governor General dead for true, but they don't want to tell me. They don't want to tell me now.
In dead? No real life.
Him say by July you go here, but then I hear the man. You know yet no, me just assess so cause the doctor boy said what happened to the Governor General when last we see him. Well, we don't hear nothing about him cause the boy I mash him up.
Yeah, that's not about what he is.
That's why me I say analyze because I didn't hear from the Governor General. I don't know where him there.
Analyze.
Yeah, come and say. One new one that come out by July, you hear what?
I don't know. Sometimes when that team know if he exists. I qualify immigrant in England and he I don't know.
When Parliament did that up in the Governor General, their Parliament?
No.
Yeah, and in Jamaica. Yeah. I don't know.
Arlene.
Hi.
Wagwan.
Listen, man. They are listening a long time, and I try to come in the box, but they could have come in.
But the dirty man in the box set up him fuckery. Eh?
Yeah, but the man that we are talking.